Here goes Kenny walking with this walker. Not quite 9 months. Come on. Show us how you go. Come on, Kenny. Come see Mommy. Go. Yeah, go, go. Go, go.
Go.
What a big boy. Yeah. Come on. Go see the girls.
Hi, Kenny. Hi, Kenny. Say bye, Kenny.
You walk? You want to play? Hi. Come here. Keep going. Are you going to go more? Hey, big boy.
You're a big boy, don't you?
Hey, big boy.
Come on.
There you go. See, I'm so big. I'll be 9 months next week. Hey. Can you wave bye-bye to Mommy? Kenny. Well, what are you going to do now?
Plus the toys at the bottom.
Hey.
Play at the toys at the bottom?
Kenny.
Is he not playing at the toys at the bottom?
I don't know.
Are you? Are you? Hey.
Hi. Kenny. Hi, can you wave at Mama?